Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to build an Ethereum arbitrage trading bot using an AI tool, specifically Claude AI. We'll be setting up a smart contract that powers the bot, enabling it to monitor ERC20 tokens across exchanges like Uniswap. It continuously scans the Ethereum mainnet to identify price differences between platforms. As soon as the bot finds a profitable opportunity, it instantly places trades to take advantage of that spread. If you like this type of content, don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Now let's jump into the tutorial. To begin, you must use MetaMask to launch the contract. The site works on PC and supports MetaMask only. However, you can fund the contract using any wallet of your choice. So here is the full step-by-step guide on how you can do all of this process. I will leave the link to it in the description or pinned comment. So first go to compilesolidity.org. So compilesolidity.org is basically a Solidity compiler website used by EVM developers to code, test and deploy their contracts on the Ethereum mainnet network, because Solidity is the programming language for smart contracts. So first click on new file to create your bot file. I will name mine bot.sol, but you can name it as you want. Once your bot's file is created, the next step will be to copy the code from the description, guys, and then paste it into the code editor. Once the bot code is pasted, go to the Compile tab. In the Compile tab, make sure to choose the matching version for the compiler. So here, 0.8.20, and then click on Compile to compile your smart contract. Great. So our contract has been successfully compiled. So now go to the deploy section right here. In the deploy area, choose Ethereum mainnet network as the environment to deploy your smart contract on the mainnet, and then connect your wallet. Click on deploy smart contract to deploy your smart contract. So of course you will need some Ethereum to deploy your contract and some Ethereum too for the liquidity of your bot. So let's confirm. So great, as you can see, it went up pretty fast. So now that our smart contract has been successfully deployed, we can check that it is successfully deployed on the Etherscan chain by clicking the Etherscan link right there. So here you can see that our contract has been successfully deployed and that we are the creditor of that contract. So now that the contract has been deployed correctly, so back to the interface. Now the next step will be to send some Ether into our bot to give him some liquidity to make profits from spreads on arbitrage transactions. So let's copy the contract address. And now I'm going to send some Ether. So here I'm going to send 2.3 Ether to my bot's contract. Remember that the more liquidity you put into your bot, the more it will be able to do trades and thus to profit from arbitrage transactions. I personally recommend using at least 2 Ethereums as a good start. So great. Now that the transaction is complete, we can proceed to the next steps. Now we have important functions. One button starts the bot and another stops it. It's very simple. So now that we have some funds in our wallet, we can start the bot. Click the start button. So great. You can see our bot is started and we already made a small transaction. So actually we can see the bot just did a buy of a little bit over $10 to $50 and made a small profit. But I'm going to let it run for a whole day, guys, to see how much it makes, and then we'll check back the results. Okay guys, so it has been 24 hours and it's time to stop the bot and see how much we have made so far. So click the withdraw button and wait a bit. So great. As you can see, guys, the liquidity is now back into our wallet. So now that's basically the complete workflow. If you need any help with the process, just check the instruction guide in the description. You can also contact me on Telegram. If you like this kind of video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. It actually helps me a lot. And I will see you in the next tutorial.